In this video, we are going to be analysing PT. We can see this stock is a very low value stock. It was 25 cents just about a week ago, and we are now currently sitting at around 60 cents. That is up 86% today. So what are going to be key targets? And we can see we've actually just come into one, being our first standard deviation channel on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart. And this is around the 56/58 cent mark. So if we go into the intraday chart, we can see obviously there was literally no volume or anything happening on the stock. All of a sudden we've popped, we've come into this level, got that pullback. This is where if you were day trading it for the short, that would have been the target. Well, I mean, we would have just profited on that. But either way, we're now broken over it. The key focus now is if we can hold this level. So we came back, retested this level, and now closing above. So this could indicate that we do push higher. And so what would be targets if we do go higher? And that would be $1. Just focus really on that whole dollar, because again, that would be the key psychological level and is also basically our statistical mean on the 6-month. Right after there, and again, you kind of just use this as one big key zone of resistance, is at 104. Then if we can break out of that area, then we'd be having further off targets around 145/150, and then final levels taking us to around 190/$2, 235/240, and a final level at 280. Now, one thing to note on this stock is obviously you can tell, I mean, just by looking on the longer term time frame, unless it is moving for, like you can see on these massive gap days, there is no volume on this stock. So do take that into account. I mean, here you can see even on its most volume, like here you had 14 million, here you had 20. Even today we're only sitting around 4 million shares traded. So what this really does show us is if the stock is not for some reason gapped on the day, the volume is going to be very low, which is really going to make this stock difficult to trade because it's just not going to be that liquid. Your spreads are probably going to be quite wide. So if you're looking to trade this stock for any reason, these would be the technical resistance we are focusing on. And we'll go over the supports as well, which would be at 10 and 14 cents. And those would really be the only key supports apart for, I guess, the 52-week low and psychological level at 25 cents. Anyway, that is the breakdown on PT. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.